Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Wandering Albatross in Heartopia for the Call of Whales Fashionwave event. So you will find them all around the Amethyst Beach, and I found one in front of me. I think that's the one. So I'm just going to be sneaky about it. And yay, we got the Wandering Albatross. I also need a picture for my thumbnail, of course. Come look at me. Okay, that's good enough, I guess. The annoying thing about the birds in this Fashion Week event is that they are everywhere, so it's very unpredictable where they'll be. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Oh my gosh, seriously. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Trying to get like another picture here. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.